What is up everyone, welcome to the Knowledge channel, and in this quick tutorial I will show you how you can fix Discord high CPU usage issue in Windows 10. So before starting this video, if you are new in this channel, just don't forget to subscribe and let's start a video without wasting any time. So if you are facing Discord high CPU usage while playing Modern Warfare, so to fix it, first of all just right click on taskbar and then open Task Manager and just follow the step as I am showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your issue.